as touching as the situation was. And I mean, like, I literally mean when I heard your voice, bro, and I heard anything that was made around your voice, I was able to work with it, and I was able to, like, just, I don't know, bro, that, like, it touched me, bro. Like, I don't know how to even formally express, like, how inspired I am by you, bro, and I don't even know how to thank you, bro.
Creativity, the act of being creative, often starts from curiosity, experience, and imagination. It starts inside of here and it comes out here. Now, how did X do this? That is the one thing I really want to examine in this video, how he did it. And I've looked into different types of methods that he used, and I'm going to be presenting them to you here today. Now, he took a lot of diverse perspectives, embracing uncertainty and connecting seemingly unrelated concepts and making cohesive, making it actually make sense and show it to us. And with this, he was able to hit Billboard charts. He was able to be a really well-renowned artist. Apart from everything he did as a person, he was a well-renowned artist and people respected his craft for what he did. So let me explain to you how X's creative process works. The first thing he does is the design. I have a clip here of X and the design with his producer John Cunningham, who he worked with later in his life. Now, X and John Cunningham's design was immaculate. Listen.
So you heard that?
Pause. Where is X? In this video right now, where is X? He's in his head. He's in his head, he's thinking, and he's imagining new things to say. Where is John Cunningham, his producer? Well, John Cunningham, if you really look at where John Cunningham is, he's obviously sitting on the couch, but he's also in the music and the rhythm as well. He's in another space, another dimension, another vacuum. He's in another world with X. They're imagining how this song is going to play out, and they do that through their heads. That's where creativity stems from. It stems from inside of here. It doesn't come from an AI bot. Yes, an AI bot can help you create ideas and create new thoughts, but no, creativity stems from in here, and this is where the true source is. Now, what can we learn from this? Well, that's the first step that X does. It's the design. It's the overall creative process from inside of here and bringing it out here. I have more ways that he did this. He did this through his testing of his music. How would he test his music? I have 3 examples of X testing his music that I want to show you right now. This is the first one. Pause. You hear that? He's just hitting the beat. He's bang, 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 bang. He's just trying to make something make sense to him. He's trying to test something. He's trying to see if it works. It doesn't matter if it's the perfect Grammy artist song. It's okay if it's not a Grammy song. You are trying to make something new. It all starts from the attempt. You attempting to do it is what starts it. That's what X is doing right here. He is attempting to make a song. I'll let you listen to it one more time. I'll have video 2 play right now. Here, X is gonna rap some lyrics. Take a listen.
Crazy to your fucking mama, bitch, but if I gotta pull up, I'ma pull out that stick. Get the gun and down that bitch. Pull off at your crib and shit. Take your tit and your...
These lyrics might not make a song, and that's okay. It doesn't have to make a song. It's you trying to do it. You getting on that proper frequency, that proper rhythm of getting what you want in your life. You're working towards it. You're becoming who you say you're gonna become, and you show that. You show that over and over and over again. That's what X is doing here. He's putting that repetitive process into it. He's testing what can work and what won't work to figure out what will work. And here's the third video that I've been hinting towards. He's building the design of the song. He's bringing together different elements from his design. He's trying to put it together to make it make sense to him. Yes, this song might not be released, and that is okay if it's not released. What matters is he's putting it down, he's playing the piano at the same time of singing, and he's making it melodic, being in that other outwardly world. He's being in that creative thought process, and he's making it make sense to him in that timeline. Yes, it'll make sense to the audience when we listen to it, when it's actually fleshed out and is shown to us what it is. But throughout this creative process, you have to be in your head, and you have to fully be okay with not being perfect. You have to be okay with letting perfection go out the door, out the window, and you being present in that moment and making songs that are for you or for a specific audience. You have to encapsulate that and pull that into you. And what I really mean by all of this is be you. Be you and actually develop through work in this. Now, the third thing in X's creative process is experimentation. New styles and ways that people haven't done it yet. Here's an example of that. Trying a new style. He's trying something that nobody has ever tried before. And that is cool. That is what experimentation shows, and that is where breakthroughs happen. When you continue doing the same thing over and over again, how can you expect different results? There's a quote out there that insanity is doing the same thing over and over and over again and expecting different results. How can you do that and expect different results if you're doing the same thing? To get a different result, you have to change who you are. You have to change what you do, and that's where the result will come in. It doesn't come from doing the same thing. It comes from you doing something completely different. X would also try new words and new flows, as you can see within this video right here.
And then it runs back.
That's what I like for.
And I should have known that I'd be alone. One killer. Had called me the moon and said that my love had killed her. I need something like
maybe it's a way of music that he hasn't made before. Maybe it's a way of music that he did before, but now he's trying to enhance it a little bit. There's a lot of ways that you can attempt to make different types of music. It's not just sitting down and freestyling something. It can be sitting down, freestyling something. It can be sitting down, writing something on a paper, writing something in your notes app, being with people around you and trying to cultivate these experiences, bring these experiences into your life and show them to the world. That's where it happens. The magic happens in group activities or when you're actually in your brain and you're in real life and you're building this. That's what X is doing. He's being present. He's building music that actually shows who he is. Now, the final thing that X would do in his creative process, and this is the most important part of his whole process. The most important part of his process is something that's not covered a lot on social media. It's not covered a lot in the news. It's not covered a lot in any form of media. It's something that he truly hid about what he did. But there are clips of him doing it out there. It's something really, really small, but it has the greatest impact of all of it. The reason why he was truly as successful as he was. Gratitude, and showing gratitude for the life that he lives. Here's a clip of X showing gratitude to the world, showing that he wants what he has and manifesting it into his life. Take a listen.
I am happy. I feel good always. I'm a genius. I will maintain this. I will maintain everything with no loss.
X is happy with the life that he had. He was happy and he wanted to continue living that life. And what I've really learned through looking at all of these things that yes, it's important to be creative. It's important to believe in yourself and push yourself forward. But what also matters is knowing who you are and knowing what you want to be. Knowing that and saying that to yourself, saying that to the universe, projecting that outwards, showing who you are and what you want to be. It all comes down to who you think you are. If you think you're a bum and you think that you don't deserve any opportunities, well then why should you get opportunities? You will get who you think that you are. If you look in the mirror and you tell yourself that you're that guy and you believe that in yourself, you may be acting in some type of way, but what it truly does is build some type of character. X loved the life that he had, and he wanted to show that he was happy with what he had, and he wanted to continue growing these riches. You have to know who you are, and you have to grow on that. And to grow on that, you have to show gratitude. You have to show gratitude. You have to be okay with what's gonna come, no matter what it is, and you still have to say what you want. X knew who he was, and he wanted to continue manifesting this in his life. X was an extremely spiritual person that wanted to continue manifesting. There's a lot of things that I've even taken from X, such as his gratitude that he's done. I do that as well. I try to project who I am and try to project what I want, and I've taken a lot of other spiritual things from him. And this is something that I haven't publicly talked on YouTube about, but X was truly into crystals. He wore a lot of crystals in his life, and crystals can hold power, they can hold energy that can actually push you forward. It can make you think a different type of way, it can bring different experiences into your life, and that's something that I've truly learned from X as well. I wear a crystal as well. I have my own amethyst crystal that really pushes me forward, cleansing it and actually putting the energy into this, thinking about this consciously and letting it push myself forward. X messed with crystals. Crystals are huge. I'm not saying to just mess with crystals and crystals will help your life. What I am saying is when you cultivate this energy, when you actually think of what you want, you put the energy towards it, you work towards it, and you're thankful for what comes to you, and you have other things around you that help push this motivation in you, like in your head, to be like, hey, yo, yes, continue doing that, continue thanking. It's gonna work out. It's going to work out if you truly believe in it. It's up to you to believe that vision for you. X believed in that vision, and look how far it took him. It took him to places that young X couldn't even imagine. It took him to the places where he had everybody screaming his lyrics. He had everybody commemorating him for being one of the greatest artists in the world.